Is it time to buy or sell YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund? In this video, we are diving deep into YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 12th of August, 2025, our system has ranked the YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.17. Now, let us examine the performance of the Exchange Traded Fund during this time frame. The Exchange Traded Fund experienced a loss of -6.23%. This equates to an average loss of -0.89% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 2.76% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 2.76% to 7.84%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -50.85%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -73.22% to -48.24% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $1.53 and $2.96. Our latest daily update for the YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF after losing 175/100%. The YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF price fell by 175/100% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, declining from $5.73 to $5.72. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.14%, reaching a low of $5.61 and a high of $5.73. The price has decreased in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decline of 6.08% over this period. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, aligning with the ETF's performance, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should accompany price movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 6 million shares, with a total of 54 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $306 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $11.55, while the lowest price was $5.25. Currently, the price is 50.48%, or $5.83, below the 52-week high, and 72.17%, or $14.83, below the all-time high reached on the 4th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $20.55. YieldMax's Ultra Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund, ULTY, is back in the headlines this week following optimistic discussions about its price and renewed attention on its payouts. This fund promotes exceptionally high, weekly cash distributions that are generated through a synthetic covered call approach on volatile stocks, a strategy that transforms elevated option premiums into income during market fluctuations. In the short term, positive headlines and a well-rounded price target can attract fresh inflows from yield-seeking retail investors, thereby boosting the ETF's market price and enhancing liquidity. Sudden spikes in volatility may also temporarily increase distributable income and investor enthusiasm. However, several cautionary tales have pointed out the trade-offs: limited upside potential, significant net asset value drawdowns during abrupt sell-offs, and concerns about the sustainability of such large payouts. Over the longer term, ULTY's performance will depend on the volatility landscape and its fee and structural dynamics. Consistent low volatility or large ongoing outflows could compress yields and exert pressure on the share price, while enduring levels of option premiums would support distributions and draw in long-term capital. Prepare for higher than normal price fluctuations as the market assesses these associated risks and rewards. The following signals have been identified for the YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages. As the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, during upward corrections, resistance is expected around the levels of $5.91 and $6.16. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, July 18, 2025, and since then, the ETF has declined by 10.76%. Further declines are likely until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence indicator. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which diminishes overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF. Currently, there is no support based on accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, this ETF could face significant challenges in the upcoming days. Typically, this ETF is traded at a substantial volume, and the minor daily fluctuations indicate a low-risk profile. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of 12 cents, which is a change of 2.14% from its high to its low. In the last week, the average daily volatility has been 1.99%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund is at $6.19. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the exchange-traded fund could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund a good investment? YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy displays several negative indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Thus, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund remains negative. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is inflated. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of August, we predict that YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund will open lower by approximately 3 cents, beginning trading at $5.69. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.